Hey Jordan, my name is Robert. I bought your course a couple months ago for the YouTube course that you offer. I bought it a couple months ago. The Mastermind too, I believe. Yeah, just want to let you know it's a great course. I went through it. Yeah, it was easy to follow. The reason I did buy your course because basically you seem like very honest. It's very straightforward, which is of course I'm in sales myself, so. Finding somebody honest and straightforward and willing to help and assist is it's kind of hard to find in this age of the internet. But again, I want to say thank you for the course. I appreciate all you've done. I love your videos. But again, thank you very much. My name is Robert. I did buy your course a few months ago, and I just want to let everybody know that it's a great course. If anybody wants to get in the program, please do. And like I said, I did buy it because you seem very sincere and straightforward and honest, which is kind of hard to find in this day of YouTube and the internet. Again, thanks a lot for your time. My name is Robert. Thanks a lot, Jordan. Again, thank you very much. Bye-bye.